Hello, welcome to this video. From this video onward, we are going to learn the challenges and understand more about Wireshark and how the Wireshark works. Just analyzing these packets, mainly the network packets. So first challenge I'll work with is Wireshark with the name do. So let us open it. This is the basic that we can start with. So let us open the terminal. You can also directly open it with the app, but I like more this way. So Wireshark, you can also do ls first of all, and this is the Wireshark dash r for reading, and this is the file which is shark1.pcapng. Now you can see here, and our main goal is to find the flag here. So that is the interesting thing. So first thing is this file, and always whenever you see this type of file, the first thing is you can just have a glance on this part where it is showing some string. Obviously this code is not readable for human. This is just the code where the flag won't be hidden. Most of the time the flag will be mostly hidden over here, or maybe you also need to take the help from here to some time, but mostly the flag will be hidden here. So our main goal is to find the flag. So let us go one by one. So first of all, see the protocol. I'll just go one by one protocol, and let us see if there is some changes in this part. So just remember, you see over here in the right hand side, and if we can see some code that is encoded, which we can decode and find the flag. So on the initial glance, if I go till down, so you can see we have the packets, which is 987 packet. So it is huge number of packets. So finding is of this packet would be really time consuming also. So what we can do is simply click on this TCP. Let us go here, and I'll just follow this TCP stream. Just follow this TCP stream. So basically this is the one of the best idea to do, because now following the TCP stream, you can see here we got something that is more readable format for human, although it is not that much readable because it is not as readable as the HTTP, but we can start from somewhere. So this is the first stream, nothing fancy is there. Let us go to the next stream, just clicking on this find next. Let us go next, or you can also do something like go to the stream 0, go to the next stream, that is one stream. Let us check if something that is encoded over here, maybe some text has been encoded, maybe something like this, maybe some hex code, or maybe some encodings. You can go here, nothing fancy. Let us go to the stream second. There is nothing here. Stream third, nothing here. Stream fourth, nothing. So stream fifth. Okay, we got something like this. So this is what we were looking basically. So here is something that is called as a flag. See here, see, this is the pattern of a flag, isn't it? Like this is the bracket over here, and if you remember, this is encoded. So I'll just copy this, and remember, if I go to the CyberSafe, our own tool, our favorite tool, if I paste it right here in the CyberSafe, what do you think this type of encoding is? Do you think this is base 64? No, this does not end with equal sign. So remember, whenever there is a bracket sign, because this bracket sign is always in the flag, that means it is a rotation. So there has been some rotation in the flag. So let me just put it here, and you can see the flag is right here. So it is as easy as it is. So you can clearly see the challenge was about following the stream. So this is the first challenge, an interesting challenge. So instead of going one by one and looking these, so see here, we went from one to another and so on. So we basically has to go one by one, which was very tedious task. Instead, what we can do is go to the packet which is more interesting to us, which is either TCP or HTTP packet, and follow that stream to get the proper information, which is very easy way to find the flag and complete the challenge.